In this video, we'll show you how to install Gemini on MacBook. If you find this useful, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. First, open Google and type Gemini Mac, then press Enter. Next, scroll down the page and click Gemini for Mac OS. After that, click Download. At this point, the Gemini app for Mac will start downloading. Once the download is complete, click the Gemini DMG file. This is the installer file for Mac. Double-click it, then drag the app into the Applications folder. That's it, Gemini is now installed on the Mac. However, in this case, an error message appears saying that this version cannot be used with the current operating system, and that a software update is required. So, my MacBook cannot install this app because it is running Mac OS Ventura 13.3. The current supported version is much newer, so this device does not meet the installation requirements. If you have a newer MacBook, you should be able to install it without any problem. My Mac is a bit older, so it cannot run this version. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.